Horns. Here he is a Lego monster truck. And here is Bones Skull. He's a monster truck too, made out of Legos. Here is Lizardhead. And he's a monster truck because he has four big wheels like the other three. And here is Rock and Roll Superstar. He's also a monster truck. And when they crash, they hit this bumper that makes them go, makes them fly out of their truck because it pushes them in. Do you see that right there?
Yeah.
That's push it. When you push that in, you see it go up. See?
Oh yeah.
And today we are going to see them fall down the coffee table. And which one is going to not break and which one is going to break. Bing, 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 bing. Let's see who broke. He didn't. This guy didn't. This guy didn't either. This guy didn't either. Wait.
There's a dog.
Actually, Rock and Roll Star did break. He's out of the final. He's out of the race. Okay. We have the three guys who didn't explode. They are Devil Horns, Snakehead, and Bones. Let's see who goes and who doesn't break. Just pull them back to the starting line. Bing, 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 bing. Let's see which one's broke now. Devil Horns didn't, but Bones did. He's out. He's out. But Snakehead didn't. Let's put Devil Horns back in. Just make sure they don't fall out. Make sure they can pick up their truck. And they are stuck. Good. Snakehead and Devil Horns are going to race. Pull them back. Bing, 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 bing. Let's see which one's broke. Snakehead didn't. Did Devil Horns did? Nope. Okay. The Superstar, the Snakehead, and Devil Horns are the superstars of the race.